friends, it's your girl Onika Alexandria. Today I am coming to you with this super simple eye look. Very easy, very simple, very beginner friendly, okay? I do not do makeup. I don't know how to do makeup. I just try a thing and pray to the gods, the makeup gods above, that it works out. And today, hunty, it worked out, hunty. It worked out today. Want to see how to do this? Continue to watch. Coming to you guys, bare face, no makeup on, nothing on, literally only moisturizer. And as you guys seen in the clip before, we're going to be trying to recreate, okay, if I'm saying this right, Irishcel507. I'm going to definitely link her video down below. She did a beautiful monochromatic fall look and I love it. Now this is definitely for beginners because I don't know how to do makeup, okay? I'm not a pro. I'm not good at it. The only thing I really know how to do that I would say that like I'm really good at is putting on false lashes. That's like the only thing I know how to do really and truly. Everything else, don't know where to start. So we're gonna try this on out, see how it goes, and yeah. So what we're going to be using for the base is this NYX liquid lipstick. Now, I gotta be honest, this is not real NYX. I got it off of AliExpress. We're going to be taking this and we're going to be placing it all over the lid, and we're going to be doing one lid at a time because I don't want this to dry up on me just yet. Then I am taking Dome fluffy brush to blend that out. We're just going to be blend it all the way up to the eyebrow. Now this one is done. Now we're going to do the same thing to the next eye. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but I can definitely tell that this eye is more saturated and has more product on it than this eye to even up the look. So now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to be taking this BH Hollywood palette. I got this from a local beauty supply store here. I'm hoping that this is an official BH palette because that's what I was told. On the right side of this palette, we have more so of the cool tones. On the left side of this palette, we have the warmer tones. And right in the center, we have 4 different blushes. We'll be taking this red right here. I'm using the same exact brush. I'm actually going to use the mirror in here. You're going to take that and smooth out the edges. Oh, not smooth, but blend out the edges. I definitely did take this too high. Looking a little clownish. It's fine. I know what I'll do. I will use my concealer to fix above. That's what I'm going to do. I know it's a monochromatic, but I think I need something just to deepen like the outer V. So I'm going to take this black and just do that with the same exact brush. I just want to deepen. I don't really want it to be too black, so I'm going to place it first. I'm actually going to take another brush because it's a little too much product on that brush. So I'm just taking this small fluffy brush. I don't know what it's called. This one is the actual NYX brush and it has on no product. Use this to go ahead and blend out this black a bit, bringing it in. Just really trying to blend it so it's not harsh. So now I'm going to go back into this red color right here and just put that over the black. Now let's go ahead and clean it on up. So I don't know where my makeup wipes are, so I'm just going to use a regular wash rag to clean it up. Really just kind of get this clean up. I feel like I'm just creating wrinkles. Woo, child. This is why I don't do makeup. This is the unclean dye. This is the clean dye. See a little bit of a difference. So now with the fluffy dome brush, I wiped off all the excess product and I'm going to just try to blend this out while keeping this trying to keep this general shape. Can you guys hear the crickets outside? They're like super loud. It doesn't matter what I do. Those crickets are so loud. I'm going to go in, this is from the blush section. I'm going to go in and use this blush here. So it can be my transition color. Oh yes. That's definitely helping it out a bit. Dust off all the extra. Soften up the edges. I feel like I look crazy, but if there's one thing I learned about makeup, it should continue. Because once you put on the falsies and you finish off your face, then it looks put together. It looks put together. So we're gonna continue. I'm a little worried, but we're gonna continue. Now on to eyebrows. My eyebrows are now done. Don't worry about the unibrow. I can clean that up later. The next thing that we need to do is concealer. Now that I've done the rest of my face off camera, we're going to do the under eye area. I'm going to be using this MAC lip liner, and it's in the color Quartz. It's just like burgundy red. I think that would look so cute on the bottom eye. I don't know what the tear duct, I don't know what it's called. I'm not lining my waterline. That's what it's called. I'm not lining my waterline. I'm lining where my eyelashes are. And we're going to take a black eye pencil. Does that even make a difference? Like, can you guys see a difference in my waterline? Let me warm it up on the back of my hands and go again. Alright, so I've lined my waterline. I'm going to take just a flat, rounded brush, and I'm going to dip it into my NYX pigment. It's called Dramatic Chromatic Eyeshadow Pigment. I'm going to actually use whatever is in the lid. Put that all over my brush, knocking off the excess. And I'll put this right on top and then taking it out to here. So we kind of like smoke out. Ow. 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 Oh yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Now, if there's one thing that Jackie Aina has taught me, that no eye look is complete without inner eye color. I'm gonna try this pink one and see if that works. If not, highlighter will always work. Let me tell you, okay? I actually ended up using my highlight as my inner lid highlight. Ooh, it's actually a really cute pink too. I don't know if you guys can see it. It may be very faint on camera, but I can definitely see it in person. I'm so proud of myself. Like, this actually turned from a hot mess to a look. Like, what? 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 I'm gonna tightline my lashes and then apply falsies. And the eyelashes that I'm going to be using today are these, just a generic brand, but they're very flirty, very fun, very cute. All right, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and as always, with love. Bye.